Hey, Edgar's in Funneltopia here. A few new workflow triggers have been added to Funneltopia, and I want to quickly show you what they are and how they're going to make your life easier. So one of the triggers is related to forms and surveys. Now you can multi-select them all at the same time. So as opposed to the previous way, let's say you want a few of the forms to have like the same trigger. Like let's say they fill out this form or that form. You needed to do separate triggers for each, like one for each. And now you can do all of them under the same trigger. So what it looks like is form submitted, add filter, form is. And before this, you could just do them one by one, right? So you need to create separate triggers. And now you can just select all of them like this, right? Just simple as that. Just click them through, and now you select all of them. The same thing you can do for survey submitted. Again, add filter, survey is, and over here you can just select multiple, however many you need, right? So that's really simple. And yeah, makes your life easier. You don't have to create like a line of triggers. Definitely go check this one out. I think this will like make my life easier. I like this one. And another trigger I want to show you is the contains phrase trigger and the exact match ones. So as an example, let's go to Facebook lead form submit. No, let's do Facebook comments on a post. Pages. Let's just select some sort of a Facebook comment, just so I can show you what the trigger is. So just some sort of I have a Facebook page connected. It's a published post. It's a specific post from let's say I published it just now, and then you can add a filter where it's either contains phrase or exact match. Let's say you can ask people to comment interested, enter. Or some other phrases, or like yes or guide or whatever. You can ask people to comment a specific word on your Facebook post, just so they can kind of basically raise their hand, I want this. And the reason to do this, like the manual like commenting and stuff, it drives up the engagement on your Facebook post, right? And it's according to Facebook, like most of the time, that the kind of the reach is better because it's it's social media. There's interaction and all that, so your posts just get better reach as opposed to just posting a link. Facebook doesn't like that, so the reach will be really crappy. And this would basically, the people that comment, you give them the free guide, free training, whatever you promise them, or a paid offer, whatever it is. This has the potential to automate some of it because you can create these triggers that recognize these specific phrases that they comment, and then obviously you can connect actions to them accordingly. So this one, this is something that it used to be like a really manual task, and now with this automation, with this trigger and connecting an automation to it, you kind of have a chance to kind of have your cake and eat it too, right? You don't have to do it all manual for it to have a better reach. You can kind of just have this workflow that helps with most of this process. You don't have to manually kind of go through all these people that commented. And obviously, track first level comments only. So these are the people that like to respond immediately, not like a response to a response. I would have this on for the example I gave you. And then obviously for all of these, you always have to click save trigger. And as for the last step, obviously don't forget to name the workflow. I kind of tend to forget this every once in a while. So I don't know, Facebook comment trigger, right? So that's kind of the either the very first step or the last step. Don't forget that. But yeah. If you have any questions, make sure to click this button below. 24/7 chat support, let us know. Anything Funneltopia related, we'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. And also, if you're a VIP client, you can schedule a call if you have bigger issues, more questions, something that's not as easily to be solved via chat. You can schedule a call over here. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.